Hello, this is Sharad Mahendra from Nova Lighting. Our company name is AI Nova Lighting. And as you know, we are a 35-year-old lighting manufacturing company, basically in the field of landscape and outdoor lighting. I will now display few products that we have talked about. This is our post-op luminaire NL517. It's a direct and indirect luminaire, a 30 watt COB lamp. And as you can see, this is a pole. It's a 3-meter pole. And then we'll go to the next one. This again is another 3-meter pole. It's a 40 watt LED luminaire, all IP rated. This is the pole for it. As you can see, the poles are always very fine finished, blemishless, absolutely very glazed everywhere. This is NL5004, 30 watt COB indirect luminaire. The lamp is deeply housed into this cavity at the housing below, and then it goes up and it strikes the reflector on top, and then the light comes through. Again, is in a pole, 3 meters. This 114 mm dia pole. The other luminaire that we would like to show you is this. It's a NL5343 luminaire. It has white deep louvers with a 30 watt LED bar. We have an LED bar, 4-sided LED bar running through the fitting and lighting up the whole emitting light from the luminaire. This comes with a 150 mm diameter pole as a continuous option for the luminaire as well as the pole. Again, I do not have to mention about the finishes. It's all visible. We come to a bollard range. This has a aperture at the far end and the LED which is housed inside. It creates a very nice pattern, single-sided luminaire. This is this again is a bollard NL534, 535. It again has a COB at the base and spreading light all around. The drivers are all built in. All this is extruded, made from extruded aluminum. This is made from extruded aluminum. This is made from cast aluminum. As you can see, this is an indirect luminaire. It only has a reflector on top. The LED are all housed inside, and the LED throw light up, and then reflected from the top reflector spreads out. This again has a feature, something in between. This is again an indirect luminaire with the LEDs at the top and lighting down. It's another variant of the earlier one, but this is a long neck luminaire, inverted again. The LEDs are all, the lamps are placed on the head, lighting downwards, and then the light is reflected through the diffuser, the conical diffuser you see here. It spreads out. This is all clear acrylic, very tough clear acrylic, non-breakable, non-yellowing. This is a unique luminaire. It has dual lighting possibilities. One is an indirect light, which light goes up. There is an LED sitting here, narrow beam LED sitting here, which lights up the reflector, and the light comes through these fins here, and part of the light also emits out this acrylic apertures that we have all around. So I'm just running through the rear portion to give you a 3D feel. It works almost like a pillar, like a bollard. It's a single-sided. We can offer this in multiple sides, but presently we are offering the single side. And this is our wall-embedded floor washer. Once again, the LEDs are housed inside. Drivers, all these are heavy duty stuff. This is a small spike light, 3-watt spike light. This is a 7 to 12 watt spike light. The 3 to 5 watts, and this is 7 to 12 watts spike lights. So we will wind up with this display for your project. Thank you for being with me. Good day and wish you all the best. Run through once again.